First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
So many things to do this weekend, so little time, but the weather is not going to be one of your worries. As a matter of fact, this is going to be prime weather for this weekend and even beyond the weekend. We're looking at some very nice weather for our part of the country. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. We've already got a nice day going for us, and like yesterday, seeing some buildup of cloud cover, but nothing to worry about. We're at 61 degrees after a chilly start this morning in the low 40s. As we check temperatures right now, it's mostly upper 50s back to the west of us, 59 in Hartford, 58 Calhoun and Madisonville. Then you start to see a few 60s like here in Bowling Green and Scottsville. You're at 62, so is in Burkesville. Then you see 50s again. It just depends on how much sun versus cloud cover you're getting right now. And the winds continue to be a little bit breezy too out of the west and northwest, sometimes up to 15 miles per hour. So that puts a little chill in the air, but this should be the last day that we see temperatures below average. And average for this time of the year is around 73, 74 degrees. We're going to be at least there starting tomorrow and then above that for the next several days. And here's that live view down Scottsville Road. This is exit 22 of I-65. You can see the puffy clouds here. We're getting plenty of sunshine, just occasionally those clouds coming through like yesterday. I thought we'd see maybe a little less in the way of cloud cover today, but here they come back again. 59 current temperature reading with a west-southwesterly wind at 4. Occasionally they'll gust up to 12 to 15 miles per hour. And here at the surface, things are very dry, only 51% relative humidity. Dew points are low, so all these clouds, as you can see, they're only building up so high in the atmosphere, which means there's a nice little lid or cap on the atmosphere to prevent these clouds from towering up and becoming showers or thunderstorms. And that lid is the dry, stable air that we have over the region. There's Franklin seeing that sunshine and those puffy cumulus clouds, 59 degrees currently. Glasgow, you're seeing the same thing, 59 degrees. And, you know, we can't discount the possibility that somebody out there may see a sprinkle or two like yesterday, but it's going to be very remote if that happens. 59 and a lot of cloud cover over Munfordville, but you're still getting some sun breaking through. And the same goes for the Mammoth Cave National Park area. Look at the Green River. It's still running very high, and it will for the next few days at least. The flood warnings have come down now for the Green River, at least in this section. You're 59 degrees, current temperature reading at the Mammoth Cave Park. As you look at radar, nothing showing up here anywhere in Kentucky. Nearest precipitation, just little sprinkles off and through the Great Lakes. Again, rotating around that big upper low, which is now over southern Canada. There's another little piece of energy. It's going to try to swing around, just kind of like a bicycle wheel, if you will. It's just kind of like the spokes in the wheel, just kind of winging around there across the Great Lakes. And if it comes close to us, then there's a possibility you could see a sprinkle or two out of that. And that's keeping temperatures cool, like Indianapolis at 48, 59 here, 66 in Huntsville, Alabama. But overall, the pattern is going to be quiet over the next few days and very nice. And because the high pressure center is west of us, then we're getting more of a north-northeast flow, and that is keeping things on the cool side. But once the center of high pressure moves a little further south and east of us, and that will happen tomorrow, then we'll start to get a more southerly wind flow in here in the next few days. It will just naturally warm up, and it's going to stay that way for a while. Any kind of shower activity or stormy weather is going to stay far away from us, and everything looks good for the Kentucky Derby. If you're going to the Mini Corvette Challenge, enjoy yourself. It's going to be great weather. Partly sunny today, breezy and cool, 65 degrees. And then tonight, maybe not as cool as it was this morning, but still on the cooler side, a low of 46. And then tomorrow, we begin to warm it up to 75, 82 on Sunday. Then look at the mid 80s all the way through Thursday of next week, and no mention of rain in that 7-day forecast. Now, we may see something late that next weekend, but for now, enjoy that ride. It's going to be nice. Back with more Midday Live in just a minute.